Oh, hi there. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, you guys. Happy Sunday. It's Sunday. Happy
Hi guys, good morning. This is how you get up when you have the perfect life. I think you.
You're welcome, my love.
How can't you have a nice day with you starting the day like this? Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy. Tyler, say morning, faves.
Morning, faves.
How are you guys?
You guys.
Tell them what you're doing. What are you doing?
I'm going to church.
Very good. You are going to church.
The truck.
Oh, very good. You're playing with your truck?
Yes.
Okay. All right, big boy. My gosh, this kid.
It's sweaty. Thank you.
You're welcome. My baby love his green juice, y'all. Love his green juice, okay? Oh, hi there. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, you guys. Happy Sunday. It's Sunday. Happy Sunday. What do you want? You guys, it's Sunday morning. The sun is out in my face, so I am going to have to put on my glasses because I can't see properly. There we go, that's better. Oh, would you like to have yours? Here you go. Look at my star boy putting on his glasses. Wow, you're so handsome. You're cool. Oh, you're giving them hi, guys. You guys, we are heading to church. We're heading to church right now. To get some extra blessing and to thank Almighty for all the blessing that He's been showering on us. We are forever grateful. It's always good to, it always feels good when we go to church. So whatever it is that you guys doing today, whether you're staying home and praising or you're going to church, whatever it is that you are doing today, have fun doing it. Stay blessed, stay wonderful, stay amazing. Let nobody, and I mean and I repeat, nobody steal your joy, and let nobody change who you change who you are to please them. Please yourself, love yourself, have an amazing day, stay awesome, stay smiling, stay blessed, and we'll catch you guys when we get to church. As a matter of fact, you guys didn't see me this morning because I've been so busy getting ready and making the boys breakfast and looking after everybody else and all those good stuff, but that's okay. You guys see me now. So we're heading to church and we'll see you guys when we get to church. My sweet boy, after church, chilling. Wait, go, we're gonna go now. You guys, church was absolutely amazing. We're still here though. Church message today, I was sticking out my nose. Church message today was about loving yourself and loving Christ. So it was basically saying that if you love Christ, you must love your brothers and sisters. So you can't love Christ and not love your brothers and sisters. That love is not love. So you should love your brothers and sisters just as much as you love Christ, basically. So love yourself, like I always tell you guys. Love yourself, love your friends, love your brothers and sisters, love your neighbors, love everybody around you. So that was the message from church today. And now we are going to head to lunch. We're not going home just yet. Move your hand, baby. We're heading to lunch and then we're gonna spend the day out a little bit. So let's go. Go, baby, go. So I just changed my shoes. I had these shoes on, so I just changed it into my slippers and we're good to go. Babe, this is what happened to my shoes because I'm not wearing them. I don't think I can wear these shoes again. It's dry rotten. Alright, let's go. Go. So I changed into my flats and we're ready to go. Go! We're gonna walk. Oh, he's asking for his car. Tyler, where is it?
Hi guys, so we decided to stop at a little fast food, something fast to get. So this is basically what we got. Some chicken wings.
Chicken wings and fries.
Chicken wings and fries for you. Sandwich.
But the chicken wings look like
for me.
Starving.
Mean.
They're little.
Oh. And Tyler have some chicken. They call it chicken nuggets, chicken dips,
and fries
and compotes. C'est bon?
So lunch is going down, you guys.
And his ketchup, because if you ask him what he's eating, he's gonna say ketchup.
Yeah. That's what the beach is looking like today. They're having some boat competitions going on, so there's a lot of boats out there going around in the water right there. Restaurants are full, people tanning, but there's no sun actually. Look up, there's no sun, so it's a little bit windy. Up there is so much people up there, honey. Alright, let's go. So we're just walking on the promenade to see what's this boat activity is about.
I can take your contact Instagram and can share together live.
He's asking the girl that I can take your Instagram contact. Go, boo, boo, go, 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 go. So we stopped at the park with Ty a little bit before we head home. So we can have a little fun. Look at him. Look at his smile. Hey! Use your foot and bring it up. Use your foot and bring it right. Hey fails, you guys, we have been back from church and we all took a nap because Tyler When we reached home, Tyler was already sleeping. We figured more or less because it was nap time and he was really tired, had a long morning. But we're up and it's way after dinner time, but dinner have to be made for the fam bam. So I'm in the kitchen making dinner right now. I'll show you guys what I'm making in a bit. But since I'm making dinner, my sweet man is outside picking up laundry. Yes, baby?
Look. Mr. the bus.
Who's on the bus? Go in the living room, mama coming. Go on. Look at him, so sweet, sweet husband. You guys, you see how cloudy it is outside? It looks like it's gonna rain. Very, very. The sun wasn't out much today, so it's a little bit cool, extra cool. For dinner I am roasting a chicken because I wanted it to go fast. So I'm roasting this chicken in here, and then I'm making some sweet potato here, and I'm going to fry one of these plantains, and that's what dinner is gonna be. You guys, so this is dinner outcome. That's Tyler's dinner, and that's Babe. The boy's gonna eat without me because I am a bit busy in the kitchen. Yes, Ty? I'm just about to eat, and this is what my dinner look like. This is what I've been up to, y'all. Can you guys believe that I baked this banana bread? I followed a recipe from somebody that I love to watch on YouTube called Ellen's Delight. You always see Ellen commenting down below in the comment section, and I followed her recipe with a little twist. I change up and add some things of my own. Yes, Tyler?
Where's my car?
I don't know, go and look for it. So it's finished baking, and now I am going to test it. Babe, guys, I feel bad now. You know why I feel bad? I feel bad for myself because I'm eating a lot of this bread pudding. I just carry a quarter of it to my neighbor because I can't keep all of it in my house. Carry a quarter of it to my neighbor and keep the rest. I know Babe will enjoy it for breakfast in the morning, and Tyler love it, so I know Tyler will enjoy a lot of it. I'm going to try and not eat so much, but Ellen, you guys, I'm going to leave the link to Ellen's channel down below in the description box, so you guys can go and check out Ellen's channel. She have the sweetest, nicest recipes with the simplest method, and they're easy to make. And it's my first time trying one of her methods, and it's a bomb. It come out perfect. It's moist, my hand squeezing it, and it's just springing back up. It's heaven. And actually, this is my first time making bread pudding and is pleased with the outcome. All the other time making bread pudding, I hated it. So, but this time, bomb. You guys should go check out Ellen's channel.
We don't want no yellow tea. We don't want no. Les jeunes princesses couraient dans le château et passaient de chambre en chambre. Elle s'aventura jusqu'au haut des donjons où elle découvrit une vieille dame en train de filer sa queue.
Papa give you some socks.
Okay, Papa giving you a socks.
Yes.
Okay, say night night, Fibs.
Okay.
See you guys tomorrow. And what else?
Bye-bye.
And like,
Like,
comment,
comment,
catch up and keep up.
Pop.
See you guys tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
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 I'm going to bed.
Yeah, you're gonna have a good night's sleep.
It's raining.
Yes, it is. It is raining very hard outside for real. This is a good boy. Give Mama a kiss. Here. What do you say?
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys so much. What do you say when you kiss Mama?
I love you.
I love you too. Alright.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Don't forget.
Yes, I will. You guys seen the reflection? Oh, that's better. You guys have seen the reflection of the
Glasses.
no, of the computer in my glasses.
Huh?
Hey fans, hi there. You guys, I have been killing that banana bread and milk. Lord, I don't know how I'm going to manage until it finish, but I'm gonna have to figure it out. Isn't it yummy, babe?
It's good.
It's so good. Oh my god, I just, and when it's warm it's even better. Oh, it's just heaven. Anyway, you guys, the Jamaican expression for today, I'm going to give you guys one that we use when we're listening to music. When you hear Jamaican listening to music, or we're in the party or anything pertaining to music, and you hear Jamaican say, yo, haul and pull up. Haul and pull up simple means to replay the music that is playing, to stop it and play it again because they like it. They're really into the vibes. So if a song play, we go bop bop bop, haul and pull up that. Simple mean to stop the song and replay the same song.
Okay.
Yeah, say it.
To stop the song and to play the song.
Say haul and pull up.
Haul and pull up.
Yes.
Haul and pull up.
Haul and pull up.
Haul and pull up.
Yes.
Okay.
Say bop bop bop, haul and pull up
Bop
that.
bop bop, haul and pull up that.
Yes. Oh my gosh, I can't even laugh because I'm not my old self, but I'm getting there, y'all. I'm getting there. The medicine's working. Yeah, I'm better than I was yesterday. So each day I'm better than the day before, and that's good. Anyway, what's the French expression for today?
The French expression for today is pomper l'air. Pomper l'air, like tu me pompes l'air. Simply mean pomper is like to pump. Understand, to pump?
Okay.
L'air is the hair.
Okay.
It's like you taking the hair, you pump the hair, mean like you start to piss me off. Understand? Tu me pompes l'air.
Okay.
You understand? You don't understand? You
I'm trying to use it in a sentence in my head.
pomper l'air is like the thing that you use for putting the hair into the bike.
Yeah.
It's
The
a
pump. Yes.
Right. It's like you take the hair. It's like pomper l'air. Tu me pompes l'air is like you taking the hair close to me. So like you started to piss me off. Go away.
Okay. Okay, cool. Interesting. What is it?
Pomper l'air.
Pomper l'air.
Right.
AMR.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, so there you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
I get it.
You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright, you guys, if it's your first time to our channel, don't leave unless you subscribe and join the fan band. We'll appreciate it much. Thank you guys for continuing to help us growing. We love you guys. Comment down below and tell us what part of today's vlog was your favorite. Let us know. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up with the fan band, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow. Bye guys.